Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. The question of the day: how to determine what content to share on social versus not share. This is going to be a great episode for anyone who is their business and wants to reach clients through social media. By that, I mean anyone who doesn't just have an abstract product to sell, but where you are the product. Your knowledge, your expertise, your experience, your working style, your personality. This is essentially every real estate agent, coach, massage therapist, or even artist or maker. Your goal through your marketing is to create and build know, like, and trust. And how do you do this? But of course, through authenticity in your content. Your personal brand is essential for you because you want to give someone the feeling of what it is to work with you before they even know that they need you. From there, you need to stay consistent so not only you remain top of mind, but also to nurture that relationship so that as soon as they need your services, they instantly think of you and trust that you would be their best choice. Let me remind you here that your goal is not to appeal to everyone. It is impossible to be the best choice for every single consumer. Your goal instead is to reach those you can best serve, the people you are uniquely designed to help. Go back and listen to episode 8 about ideal clients for more on their perspective. And now I'll return to the main question for today: how to know what you should or shouldn't share on your accounts for business when you want or need to create content. This question has also been posed as, how do I know what content is, quote, professional, or things that people, quote, want to see? How can you determine what's share-worthy content? First things first, if you are new to social media or new to using it intentionally for business, you're going to go through a period of trial and error to know what kind of content resonates with your audience. You'll need to test and experiment, and like any truly scientific process, the more structured you are with your intention and parameters, the more relevant feedback you'll gain. Create a plan to try things out and don't be emotionally attached to the results. While you're creating your plan, you want to keep asking yourself questions to stay on track and keep your messaging consistent. In no particular order of priority, these questions are: what can you share to empower, entertain, or educate your ideal clients? And also, how do you want your brand to be known? For entertaining? Educating? Empowering? Or a combination maybe? What percentage of each? What is unique about how you interact with your clients? How, literally how, do you make them feel at ease? You can ask for feedback from previous clients or objective friends, and then communicate that aspect of your personality through your content. For example, me personally, I am a perfectionist who is also sarcastic and obsessed with optimizing my health. So for my own personal brand, I share a variety of content that tells that story and gives people that feeling, either directly or indirectly, while still tying it back to my niche and who it is that I serve. How will someone, your ideal client, benefit from your content? If it's all about you and your concerns, your audience has no reason to be there unless they are already emotionally invested in your journey. 100% you should tell your story, but always from the perspective of how it benefits the audience that you want to attract. In reflecting on these questions, you'll naturally design a framework for the type of content you can create to build your personal brand. This is an essential step 1. Next week, I'll go deeper into this topic to help you learn to create share-worthy content, meaning how to get others to share and possibly save your posts so that you can get even more exposure. Do you want some one-on-one support to design your framework or help you create content? Let's talk. Schedule a free 15-minute call with me and let's see if I'm a good fit to help you get the ball rolling. Visit skyblue.media/marketing. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, Take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.